Hello, this is Barry. Greetings from Florida, Melbourne, Florida. Yeah, so a couple years ago, me and my buddy, we threw this pergola up in the back. I'll give you a quick shot of it. And anyway, there's two 6x6 posts here that supported it. And I kind of wanted to pretty it up a little bit, so I was looking through the internet one day, and I ran across the GenStone company. And in that advertisement, they had an ad there that they make these, they call them pillar panels that cover the they surround, they wrap around the 6x6 pressure treated posts. They measure like 5.5. You just have to firm out. You got to build them out to like 7.5 inches. And these panels are 2 feet long. So I got 6 panels for each post. There's 4 2-footers around the bottom, and then I cut 2.5 for the 1 foot on the top. So it goes on real simple. It's easy to put on. You cut it with a handsaw. They give you the glue, the caulk, the whole deal. I mean, it really works good. A little pricey, but it's a nice product, and it really comes out nice. And then, of course, I got the caps on the top. You can get them kind of beveled, or you can get them flat. Mine have a little bit of a crown on it. But anyway, yeah, it's real good stuff. It goes up real nice. This particular color here, I think, is Stratford. It kind of matches the pavers. A little bit darker than the pavers, but that's okay. A little contrast is good. So anyway, I'm real happy with the product. Like I said, goes on real easy, and it looks great.